Alright you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Nail by Chris. If you're a returning subscriber, hey girl, hey. If you're new, hey boo, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, please, and thank you. Alright you guys, so let's get into these nails. We are going to do a pink and white ombre, but we are going to do like a color swirl. So yeah, we're gonna get into that. As you can see, I'm prepping my nails using OPI bonder. This is just basically to dehydrate the nail. So yeah, and then I'm going to use Premium Nails Primer to prime and prep my nails. This is what I'm going to use as always to help make my nails basically stay on and for them to last. Like good prepping, bro, good nails. That's all I'm gonna say. Fantastic nails. Now I'm using Young Nails Core Clear Acrylic. Y'all know I swear by this acrylic. I always use a colored acrylic base before I lay down my colored acrylic, and I use Extreme Nails sculpting liquid. It's honestly one of the best liquids that I've ever used, and honestly it just gets the job done with pretty much any acrylic powder that I've used, just being honest. But yeah, I always base my colored acrylic before I lay it down because, again, as I discussed in my color acrylic step-by-step tutorial, you should always base your nails with clear whenever you're going to lay down any color powder, because they lift very fast and they pop off very easily whenever you don't base them. And I've learned this over time that it's literally best for you to put down a color acrylic base, and honestly it makes your nails stay on like a little bit longer. I'm going to be using the GLAM and GLITS color powders, Sun Paradise and Glow in the Dark or something like that. But these two colors are popping, y'all. She said she wanted to use colors that were more on the springy side, and she kind of, you know, wanted me to freestyle that a little bit, and so I did what I always do. And I just swirled them just up in there. Like, this was really one of the best sets that I've done. I really enjoyed creating this set because, like I said, these colors are beautiful whenever you blend them together and you kind of swirl them in. Now, whenever you're swirling these colors, they do kind of dry out a little bit as you go. I do recommend like dabbing your brush in the nail liquid just so you can swirl it a little more. And whenever you do swirl it and you get up to that smile line, I would prefer, like, as you can see, I'm patting it down, like even on the sides. Like, I pat down the sides because I don't, you know, you don't hit all sides, but I made sure I ombre that color before I added on my pink for my fade. Y'all see that? Do you see it? Because I'm gonna demonstrate it again on a couple more nails, but I want y'all to see it. Now look at that. Y'all see how well that blends? Like, y'all, I love blending my nails. Like, that's something I've been perfecting like over the years. I mean, I really perfected it really about 4 years ago, just being honest with you. But like with color, like with blending, some people don't really like blend it, and you like really have to like set, you know what I'm saying, you're blending, like you really have to set it just so it can actually fade. Now look how pretty that looks. Like, man, I love these nails. And, you know, every time I'm doing somebody's nails and I like slay, which is pretty much every time, but every time I slay somebody's nails, I'm always like, I need to do my nails just like that. And I don't, but I might do my nails like this though. I don't know. I'm about to do my nails because I'm about to go to a comedy show, y'all. I gotta do something to my nails. I don't know if I should be simple, cute, and classy, or if I should like bedazzle it, or if I should put nail art. I don't know. But these nails gave me some ideas. They gave me like spring vibes. They gave me color pop vibes. Like when I saw this greenish color in the nail supply store, I was like, yeah. And when I saw this orangey looking color, I was like, yeah, it's hit. Like, the girls will love this. Like, they would. And I know if I do, I know they would too. Like, baby, like, look at it. Look how pretty this is. And as you can see, y'all, I'm dabbing my brush in the nail liquid, and I'm like touching it to like swirl it, but also again to pat it down and to fade it, because you want to fade your color. So whenever you when you apply your pink and you're fading it, it will actually fade. Like, you don't want to see like those harsh lines, you know what I'm saying? You want to see a fade. Like, look at that. Period. 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 And make sure whenever you lay your colored acrylic on that smile line, make sure you lay it directly on that smile line. Just so the fade, look at this, so it can fade properly. Like, look how nice that lays. Like, look at that. And I'm using Young Nails Flamingo. I don't know if I told y'all, but I'm using the Young Nails Flamingo. I think I showed y'all though. But I'm using Young Nails Flamingo, and it's literally one of my favorite pinks to use, honestly, for any French or pink and white ombre. Like, this is literally my favorite one. They also have another one, Cherry Blossom. I like that one too. But pink, I keep saying pink Flamingo, I guess because I'm looking at it as pink. But Flamingo Young Nails, yeah. It hits every time. It gets the job done every single time. But anyways, you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and let y'all get into the rest of this tutorial. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know if y'all like my nails. Like, let me know. Like, I really would love to know. And basically, you know what I'm saying, wait to the end, watch the full video. Like, look at the nails, because they're at the end of the video and they're gonna be popping. Like, I slayed them, but I'm ready for y'all to see them. Oh, and y'all are not gonna see me put a top coat on, so I'm going to let y'all know that I'm gonna be using I don't know if y'all ever heard of this. They're called wave gel. They have like this really shiny top coat. I'm gonna try to look them up and link them below, but I'm gonna use that top coat. And I also use a base coat before I use the top coat every time, even on colored acrylic. I use a base coat just for like extra shine. But the base coat that I'm gonna be using is gonna be Extreme Gel Nails base coat. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and let y'all get into the rest of these nails and get into the rest of this fade. And I'm gonna talk to you guys later. Again, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will talk to you guys later. Bye.
Yo, less ego and more soul. Trying to make it clear like a sore throat. They too concerned about my wardrobe, but they going broke. We've been praying for it, only Lord knows. Just got an invoice, shit had about 4 O's. Pick the locks when the doors close. Nigga, this is my house, fuck a foreclose. We staying in control, fuck the hormones. Come outside the hood, look like a war zone. Come first, my niggas check everything, watch your jawbone. Back then they used to call her jawbone. We was little freaks watching porno, going crazy with the hormones. Now we paying car notes, lighting up like charcoals. Lost a couple homies, but I meet them at the crossroads. ISO on the hoodies, gotta ship them out like cargo. Back in high school, rock the polo with the cargos. Take a trip to Dad, Grandma Ursi had the car for. I need like 6 rings like the Bulls in Chicago. Cause we be out here 3-peating, pumping fan, they heart, you can hear it beating. Schooling all them and we still teaching. Wanna talk biz, we can set the meeting. Lighters up, yeah, we still chiefing. You be lucky if you still breathing. Always think before you start speaking. With yourself, you be still beefing. Cause they ain't real, they just real misleading. Trying to read me, but you misreading. Yeah, we in the bunker, rolling up some skunk up. Laying down tracks, you can hear the hunger. Every day is numbered and we ain't getting younger. So I apply pressure like a damn plunger. They ain't for the culture, they all vultures, they all vulgar. We need structure for these youngsters, they all pumped up, pushing dumpsters. See a cop and rush them, we need change but we all flustered. It been this way since they call us color. For about 10 summers, DJ Mustard, the revolution still loading like it got a buffer. Now we gotta wear a mask to keep our face covered. And they shooting us with bullets that's rubber. We gotta be the keeper for our brother. How we supposed to come together? It's families that can't recover. Still in mourning while we gotta suffer. This the beginning till we see another.